Hello mga kabesh! Gawa tayo ng homemade pizza. My daughter is making homemade pizza tonight kasi it's a football night. Netherlands against Austria. So, easy night, pizza night. Yummy pizza. Ito na yung ating dough. Masahin lang natin ng konti and then, kasi umalsa na siya. Ayan, masahin lang natin ng konti and then, press a little bit para lumabas po yung air. And then, i-cut po natin ng 8 equal sizes. And then, form po natin into a bowl. And then, let it rest for a while. For 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, cover it up with a kitchen towel. Ay, mga besh, ito po yung ating ingredients sa ating pizza. Meron ako ditong zucchini. May zucchini. Meron ditong paprika, long paprika. And tomato. Ooh, nice tomato. And the cherry tomato is from the garden, from my daughter's garden. And the garlic and onions, and also this one is from the garden, the thyme, the oregano, and the holy basil. Smells good. Yummy. I can hardly wait for our pizza night. And this is our topping for our pizza. Of course, our grated cheese. Our mozzarella cheese. And burrata. Wow, burrata. And the anchovies. Yummy anchovies. I love my pizza with anchovies. And okay, the ham, smoked ham, and these are all from Italy. Smoked ham, and this is like salami, and the antipasto. Yum, yum, yum. And this one, something like it's a bacon, I guess. Bacon, smoked bacon. Yummy. So these are all the ingredients for our pizza. Yum. Oh, this is our sauce. Our fresh tomato sauce for the pizza. There goes all the herbs. Yummy herbs. Fresh. All the ingredients are fresh. Yum. And this is our finished product, our yummy pizza. Yum, yum, yum. So, look at that. Oh, mga besh, kung naamoy nyo lang, ay, ang sarap po. Yung sa holy basil, yung mga herbs na nilagay natin, fresh from the garden. Oh, yum. Yung aroma po, oh, yummy. So, yung mga hindi pa po dyan naka-follow, please follow, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Ito nga pala mga besh, yung burrata. Masarap po siya as a starter. Try nyo rin po. Yum. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Happy cooking. Bye.